Hi guys, today we're going to be starting on the country of Rwanda. Happens to be a neighboring country to the Congo. And you might already have some knowledge based on knowing that a genocide occurred in Rwanda. This is really what we're going to be working on. It's our last location for this year. Believe it or not, this is one of six remaining classes that we have left. Next week is a little bit weird as far as timing goes, so there will be no lesson on Monday or Tuesday for us. But Wednesday we pick up, and then there'll be an additional activity on that Friday. Actually, it's going to be one big project that I'll probably give you the information on Wednesday and maybe give you a sneak peek on Wednesday of today, of not today, of this week, just so that you have an idea and can start to think about what you want to do. But we are kind of leading up, almost like the videos, although this time it will not be a video, but you'll be doing all of the research the next couple days, and then next week we'll be focused on actually creating something using that research. That was something I found with the Congo quite a bit. I had a lot of people emailing me of, I don't understand where I'm supposed to find this information. And the answer is these lessons are made to be built upon. So whatever we do today, uh, understand it's building towards a project, and you will be able to actually use this information not only to submit for credit, but for you to actually use on the project portion. I'm going to pause here too and just talk a little bit about grades. Remember, you do need to pass this fourth quarter, okay? That means 60 or higher. Otherwise, you will get an incomplete for this section, and you're going to have to make up work next year. So I highly encourage you to make up any missing work you have. I will accept anything from the fourth quarter. Just email me, let me know that it's submitted. That way I know to look back and check. And again, you want your grade in the 60 range because otherwise it counts as an incomplete. Even if you pass the rest of the year, if you get an incomplete on this section, you have to make up work next year. And I don't want that for any of you. And there's no reason for it. You know, like I'm offering help if you're feeling that this is tough and you don't understand it. I get it. Distance learning is not easy, but you have to reach out to me. I had no kids attend Zoom last week, so that's fine. They are not mandatory, but then my assumption is you have no difficulty doing the work. So Wednesday there will be a Zoom. If you need it, reach out, okay? So what are you going to be doing today? All right, there is a short video that you should watch after this one that will talk about Rwanda. I just caution you, you'll see the wording and rating as well. This is dealing with a genocide, and while they show nothing straight on, it can be a little bit disturbing. So watch, I mean, it does a fantastic job of explaining. I have a reading that goes along as well that, you know, I'm going to say if you really are like, oh, the video makes me uncomfortable, just do the reading. That's fine. It's just this is another avenue that has a lot of really good information that if the reading isn't making sense, you want to take a look at this video. And again, it's not that it shows anything particularly bloody, but understand this is a genocide, which I'm sure you understand is mass murder with the hope of exterminating a group of people, whether it's religion or this case ethnicity. That is the goal. There is no happy ending here. There is no you know, like this is really dark stuff. So if you feel uncomfortable with watching the video, that's okay, but I just wanted to include it so that you had another way to access the material if the reading isn't making sense to you. I'll show you the reading. I'll also show you the note sheet that you're filling out. So your note sheet, you have person or term, and then you're going to come up with the definition, who were they, and the importance of that person, or, you know, in some cases like Hutu and Tutsi, you're going to learn are ethnicities. So you have quite a few terms here that are important to understand the Rwandan genocide. And there's a reading, like I said, I'll show you in a second that'll go along with this. And then you're going to create your own timeline. So After you've read the article, and the article is definitely a must to read. Oops, sorry about that. You are going to pick 5 events. Okay, you're going to tell me the date, what the event is, and how did this impact genocide or result as a reason of the genocide. Okay, an example of this might be they're going to talk about the shooting down of the president, okay, who happened to be a Hutu. That might be one event. You might have it as your first event. You might give more of the background information that happens before that. But that would be an example of an event that you could choose. And how did it impact the genocide? That is the official starting point. Even though this was building up and up until that point, that is the point that actually sets off the mass killings. So you're going to pick just 5 events to add to your case. Oh, I wanted to show you the reading as well. Hold on again. I apologize. Too many tabs open and I was thinking I was done. So this will be in a PDF form. This just happens to be my Word version of it, but it looks pretty much the same. I did bold terms, so like Hutu and Tutsi are on here. Some of them aren't always like Rwandan Patriotic Front. Some of them I didn't. So like genocide, it never clearly defines genocide on here, but I'm asking that you Google search it or come up with some sort of definition. Okay. I did again, I really tried to go through every single term is in this reading that is on that sheet. And you do have headers to also help you out to identify things. Okay. If you need help, reach out. Again, you'll have a Zoom meeting on Wednesday. And you do have other avenues of emailing me. I'm really good with responding to emails. Obviously, weekends I do take off. And if it's too late in the evening, I've been getting weird emails at like 11 o'clock at night. I'm not answering those right away because newsflash, I'm asleep. So as long as it's within reasonable hours, particularly between like 8 a.m. and, let's say 3 o'clock, I am sitting at my computer actively. So you can reach out to me during those times and you can reach out to me afterwards. Just don't expect immediate change or immediate response because I'm doing other things besides just teaching and going through your work. Power School is updated every single school day. So continue to take a look at that. If you think there's a mistake, email me. I'm happy to arrange things. I know I had a couple people too who said that they had sent me videos that I never got. Understand, you have to find a way to get them to me. If it's not working, talk to me, but I should be able to find some way to get this to work for you. But understand, if I don't have it, you don't have a grade. I have nothing to grade. And I will always acknowledge emails that you send to me. So if you didn't get a response from me, it means I didn't get it. Reach out if you have questions. I can't repeat that enough. We're almost there. 6 more, 5 more after today. That's all we have left. You can do it. I understand things are crazy and, many of you are feeling overwhelmed. I certainly understand. I will always accept late work, but you got to try to keep getting stuff into me because you don't want to take this into next year with you. And I am here to help. I want to help. So reach out if you need it. All right. Good luck today, guys. Bye.